You're on the air.
Ooh, they threw in extra ones.
Extra.
I think. I can't believe they got all this crap in here. Rice is on my table. It works. These.
What's that? Can't see it. Valve springs?
Performance rockers, valve springs. There's a flywheel key. Push rods.
What else we got? Besides a bunch of air filters and fuel line. They got a load of headers.
This one's mine.
Is it different?
One
It looks different.
One of them's different, yeah. This one's for a go-kart. It's all covered in oil.
Yeah, from there, putting it through the machines.
These three are the same. Oh, that's my fuel pump. A genuine Briggs & Stratton fuel pump.
Genuine.
Made in the USA.
What year was it made?
I don't know. Boy, look who made this bragging. Jesus.
Yeah, somebody was having a bad day. Oh my god.
I was gonna make my own.
Next time you do. Is it cheap?
Yeah, $10.
That ain't cheap. Clutch?
Performance clutch. $3,200 stall. I can't believe they got this all in this bag. Hope the screw didn't go missing.
What are those?
These are air filter adapters. These go on the. These attach the air filter to the carburetor. Oh, they gave me a dyno cam sticker. I've never gotten one of these before.
Yeah, today's your lucky day.
I know. What's this? Oh, we got more. Whoa, we got more stickers.
Mr. What?
We got another dyno cams. 2 different dyno cams. Good for my 2 motors. This should be, I think, a rod. Yeah, an ARC billet rod. I'm in the white. There you go. That's white.
This thing is white.
And then here are the
Insert bearings. Looks nice.
They work.
Looks like little bearing things. How many of those you got?
Just one. And then we have our cam, my dyno cam. We got a 310.
What's it say? Welded and ground?
Yeah. What they got? More stickers.
Oh, stickers make it.
I never got any stickers.
A cam card?
Yeah. It's just wrapped in there.
Oh, okay.
More oil on.
Class modified.
What's the the lift.
Okay, you can read that after.
No, I was trying to. Usually,
Okay.
310. 310. So usually like 265s like an okay, and then like 300 you're getting into big. Should dyno cams, flywheel. This is probably how you install it. PVL.
Is PVL the brand?
That's the name of the coil, but it's made by Dyno. It's a cast aluminum.
What's the RPM rating on that one?
Over 10,000.
There's two of those?
I don't remember what the last thing is. What's this?
It's a different box.
Yeah, I forgot.
Hope a pizza pops out.
I hope it opens. Oh, this is a Mikuni setup. Okay, so they give you
38 millimeter? No.
the
Oh, that's a jet size.
No, it's a 22 millimeter small Mikuni. It's a whole kit they give you. So
Okay. That's a decent amount of stuff.
So there's 3 here. I have 3 more, so they sent it all in one box.
Okay. And these are 3 more engines you're building.
Well, no, there's actually one more box of parts coming. There's one more, because wait, I have 3 motors, I'm building 4. So there's one more thing that didn't come today. It's just another one of this, header, this and this.
Okay. No more rods?
No, that's just for my motor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm going to show them something they've been asking to see. They want to know if it still exists and we're putting it on. Yes, it still exists, and yes, we're still putting it on.